Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Body scrubs remove dead skin cells, penetrating beyond the surface to get to the healthy skin beneath. Not only that, but they help to unclog pores and rid your skin of dirt that might build up and cause blemishes. Homemade body scrubs of any kind are great for the skin, but creating an orange peel scrub can up the ante when it comes to health benefits for the skin. Vitamin C can assist with collagen production, which gives the skin its firmness while also keeping it supple and hydrated. Vitamin C can also support the effectiveness of sunscreen by working to protect the skin against harmful UV rays, promotes wound healing, which is especially helpful for acne-prone skin. Take one medium-sized orange and remove the peel. Cut the peel into thin slices. Put 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Leave it to boil and add the peel and leave it for about 10 minutes on a low heat. Now, put this peel in a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of orange juice and 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a few drops of vitamin E. and add sugar until you get a scrub texture like this. Keep it in a jar and put it in the fridge. You can use it for your body or face. It's just amazing. Just try it. Now, how to use it? Rinse your skin with warm water and put a small amount of body scrub in your hand. Gently rub it on your skin in small circular motions, using your hand or an exfoliating glove. Scrub your skin gently for about 5 minutes. Rinse your skin liberally with lukewarm water and wash your skin using your regular cleanser. Shave if desired and pat your skin dry and apply a moisturizer, and that's it. You will get an amazing result. Try it twice a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.